What's up, people? Can't believe you came back. I got another video. Yeah, I was trying to come up with some type of intro, but after that last one where I was just come here, yeah, I'm not gonna try for a while. But thank you for coming back, people. I am here. If you see me, as my usual sweaty self. That is just because today I am restoring my headlights. As you can see, they're really, really yellow. Already started on this one. I'm glad I had to do a test run on the passenger side just because I had no clue what I'm doing. Today I'm gonna be sanding the headlights down. Start from 800 to 1500 to 2000. Then because mainly I just found that that's the best way that I was able to knock down the old clear coat on the headlights. Um, at this moment, it just has the first clear coat kind of messed up. If you can see those little cracks, yeah, messed up really bad right here. I'm hoping on this one I'll do much better. Just sent everything down and actually just laid the clear coat on as evenly as possible because on that one I just messed up. But now that I have my own technique down, it seems pretty easy. But every time I say it's pretty easy, something always ends up happening. So let's just get to it. I don't know. So today, forgive the mess. I just started here. So I just started with a clay bar right here. Then go to 800, 1500, finally to 2000. So just get started on cleaning the headlight right here. At the moment, I'm just gonna wipe it down with the clay bar, take any surface contamination off. When I took off everything with the clay bar, I feel it made it easier with a sanding part. I don't want it to run. I'm not that good. Like maybe right here might run. But oh well, that's why this is just the practice side. So let's get over there on that side. Look at everything that the clay bar picked up. Gonna need it back together. Wow, just based on that. There. And see now they're slightly hazy now. First one's 800. See all the clear coat that's coming off? All that. Now I know why people don't do this by hand. This thing is so tiring. $1,500. see from here, you're starting to see the scratches different directions. This way is this way. This way is this way. I don't know, from all the videos that I've seen, they say one sandpaper go one way, the other go the other way, crisscross it, then at the end just buff it out, then yo, my peoples support Elotero, man. Though they're just out here grinding. I don't know why there's so much hate in the world right now. Just gotta take it day by day. We're all having struggles in this world, not just one people, all of us. So with that, all that's left to do is just pretty much put on some clear coat. First, I'm gonna be masking all this off though real quick. I don't want to get any overspray on this. But yeah, pretty much about all that I need to do at this moment here. Alright, so I'm back, and I pretty much didn't want to bore you guys with just taping this. Obviously, you guys know how to just tape it around all over the edge so no overspray can be hitting anywhere else in the body. Plus this little bag right here, you know, just raise the, and I just raised the hood just a little bit so nothing will touch. I'm still just waiting on that one just to dry, but this one I'll just pretty much start. At first I'm just gonna do just the typical, just light dusting over it, and that way the second and third and beyond layers, that way the other layers are able to adhere to something. And I'll be back with the second coat. Being the second coat. I'll say so far so good. Looks a little hazy right here, but I'm guessing just it was because it was just a light dusting. Unfortunately, yeah, I'm gonna have to redo that one. So yeah, just the second coat now, just waiting for it to dry, and then just move on to the third and fourth and fifth, possibly sixth coat. I'm hoping to possibly later wet sandies if they have any orange peel or anything. I'm just gonna make them like real smooth, glass clear and everything. I'll probably just end up doing this again later. No. And fail. Oh man. Thought this was gonna be the one. This is a big fail, so for sure that's a fail, for sure, 100%. I think this is what, third coat? Oh no, I've lost count already. And this will probably just be the last coat. Probably the other side really came out really bad. I'm hoping that this side does not start to crack or anything like that. Here we go. Last one. That's pretty good. All right. say today was half a success. Just half because literally I had two headlights that one of them I messed up on. But mainly that was just my practice. I was just trying to get the hang of things. I feel I was pretty good at knocking down the old film that was on there with the sandpaper and everything. It was just when it came down to the actual clear coat spraying it, I wasn't patient enough, and I'll show you guys. This one I wasn't patient enough and I didn't wait. Yeah, I didn't wait long enough for it to dry, and also that one I just I I sprayed too much material pretty much. So I learned my I learned my lesson with this one. This one, I just started out with the light dusting and just get building and building and building until it's pretty good. It's not 100% and everything, but it's better than what it was. Better than that one for sure. I completely obliterated this headlight. This is my fault. But I did kind of learn my lesson right here, except for this little spot right here. So pretty much the instructions said to just give it a couple hours for it to, because at first it would be kind of cloudy, but later on it'll just clear over. And especially with that, the first one that I did, yeah, I pretty much learned my lesson pretty much. So I'll probably end up doing another video on correcting that one, and for sure I'm thinking of getting a polishing pad and all that correct equipment, because today just doing it by hand is just horrible. But it was a good lesson to learn. Now I know why a lot of people are mainly using electric tools and all that stuff, but it was good to learn at least for now. But I definitely know for later what to do, so that way I don't end up doing twice as much work. But that's pretty much about it all for today. Yeah, I'll keep trying to pump these videos out. Little projects here and there that I need to complete with the Saturn. But yeah, but thank you guys for checking back on my video, and hope you guys have a good day.